Hey guys, how's it going? My name's Paul. In today's video, I'm going to be reviewing EZYQ's Firepit. I'm going to try and cook a roast chicken on the rotisserie on the Firepit, and also announce the winner of the Kickass Handy Power Pack. Alright, let's get to it. Before we open the fire pit up and have a look, I've just got some hot coals going. We'll get the veggies going soon before we start the chicken and start unboxing this. Now, first I just want to show you a quick fly around. Shows the spot I found here. It's not the spot I wanted. I've been driving out for the last couple of hours. The spot I wanted was about 100 metres down that way, the campsite. It's a beautiful sandbar. But unfortunately, that was taken, but I reckon this one's still alright. What do you think of this? Okay, we're going to skip the drone footage today. I just about had an absolute heart attack. Took the drone up. I was only up for 30 seconds. I had 3 bars of battery in the drone, so it should have been fine. And within 30 seconds, it said critically low battery and was automatic landing. It was landing directly over the water. I didn't have a choice. I just had to try and push forward on the stick and try and get it as close to the bank as I could. Luckily, I managed to smack into the bank. I crashed it, but at least it wasn't in the water. The drone's insured, but if it goes in the water, I have to be able to recover it. If it went in the middle of that river, I would not have been able to get it. So I was so thankful. Now, next thing you want to do before unboxing the fire pit, get your charcoal ready. Grab one of these charcoal starters. I picked this one up from Big W, 10 bucks, but there's lots of different variations on the market. Some are compact and fold up. Any camping shop you can pick them up from. Just load it up with coals, get a couple of firelighters on the ground, set up a light. Stick it over it, give it about 10-15 minutes, and the charcoal will be ready to go. Now, starting off with this canvas bag, it's made by Undercover Australia. Make sure you check them out on Instagram and give them a follow. Really high quality canvas bag with Velcro at the ends, so really easy to just pack away. No matter how dirty it is, throw it in there, throw it in your car, and your car's not going to get dirty. Starting off with your sides here, plenty of ventilation holes on both sides. They've got slots here, and also slots on your end pieces, there and there. You slot it in here if you want it just a small campfire, or if you want to use the rotisserie, which is hot coals. But if you want to put the side straight into that one there, you've a big open base. You can put this straight over a fire pit, a fire. Otherwise, yeah, you can really get the fire roaring with a bigger fire. Now, EZYQ have customised this one and written Camping Down Under with the fire logo for me, but they're happy to do that for anyone. So just tell them what you want, whatever writing you want there. If you want a little logo as well, they're happy to do that. And I think it looks really cool at night time with the flames coming through it. Now that we've got it all assembled, there's a couple of new features I wanted to show you. They've put a little bend at the top here on both sides, and they've also added 4 slots. On the old fire pits, there used to be 2 slots. So they also give you these here. So that'll slot straight in there. If you want put a big pot in here. Otherwise, use the other holes and you put a campfire straight on. Now, I'm not going to be using the camp oven on this today. I'm going to be using the rotisserie. This comes with this fire pit here. There's plenty of different varieties available on the website, but I've got the rotisserie one. So it just slots straight on the end here. Put your rotisserie straight in it. Turn it on and away you go. Now this charcoal is ready to go now, so we'll get it started. Now, I've been lazy and already got a chicken that's pre-seasoned. So we'll stick it straight through. And spike it there. Stick the other spike in there. Do it up and we'll go throw it on. Now, there's a few other accessories you can get off the website. Here's a base here. So you put it straight, the fire pit straight on here. If you've got grass or something like that, you're not going to burn your grass. There's a stainless steel hot plate as well. That's really good for barbies. And this here I picked up off of eBay. Cost me about 20 bucks. A little basket. You clamp down any veggies or chicken wings or anything you want on here. Put the rotisserie straight through it, and you cook it straight on the rotisserie. This chicken is smelling amazing. I've got to be honest, this is the first roast chicken I've cooked on a rotisserie down the river. I've got plenty in the camp oven, but having it open like this, the smell just wafts everywhere, and it's much better. I'm loving it. EZYQ Australia have sent me this second fire pit. You may have noticed I had a previous review on the stainless steel fire pit. That's no longer available, so they've sent me this mild steel painted fire pit. I intend on using this pretty much every weekend we go camping, so I'm going to really put it through its paces and let you know how it goes long term. But so far for this review, this has been going for 2 or 3 hours now, and there's no warping, nothing. It's handling it perfect. You can hear all those birds in the distance. This place is just so peaceful. I love coming down here every weekend. Oh, kookaburra! To start with, those birds were nice and peaceful, but it's been about an hour now and they have not stopped. I think I have to get some music going just to try and drown them out a bit now. Oh, this chicken is cooked to perfection. I'm really happy with how that turned out. And these veggies are looking perfect too. Alright, I'm going to eat. I'm starving now. I'm going to finish this video off in the morning. Catch you then. I've got to say, that's the best roast chicken I've ever had. It was so moist and juicy. Oh, I'll definitely be doing that again now. And those veggies, they were absolutely perfect. It's not very often I get the camp oven meal right, but the veggies this time, I loved them. Now, I'm going to load that fire pit full of wood now, get it really hot, and in the morning, I'll check back with you, and let's see if we can get it to warp overnight. Alright, catch us then. Would you check out this place in the morning? Look at this. Fog over the water, fire going, -1 degrees. It's going to be a perfect test. Let's see if that campfire warped overnight. Right, so as you can see, those ventilation holes do a really good job, and they sift out all the ash as well, the piles of ash there. Just give it a kick every now and again, and all the ash will fall out, meaning more air will come into your fire. Now let's see if this pulls apart easily. Oh wow. That is not struggling at all. I've had fire pits in the past, first use, not going to name names, but they buckled straight away. This one here, no, that is still perfectly straight. They've done a really good job with this one. Now, it's time to announce the winner of the Kickass Handy Power Pack. I'd like to thank Kickass for sending me this and let me try it out. Now, I've gone into Google, I've typed in YouTube random comment generator, and then I've gone down, entered the YouTube URL, push start, and let's see who the winner is. Henzo's Adventures, congratulations. You've won the Handy Power Pack. I'll try and message you on Instagram, and we'll get this out to you. Happy now, got my morning coffee. Gonna sit by the fire and warm up. I hope you enjoyed this video, guys. If you'd like to check the fire pits out for yourself, I'll leave the link in the description. It's EZYQ Australia. If you've enjoyed the video, leave a like. If you've got any other questions about the fire pit, leave a comment. I'm happy to answer them. And if you haven't already, please consider subscribing. But thanks for watching the video, guys, and I'll catch you on the next one. Cheers.